Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to complete milestones in Monopoly Go. First of all, open up the Monopoly Go. Click on the Wins option from the bottom bar. Now basically, if you go to the current tournament, click on the glasses icon. Complete the milestones to win. Basically, you have 15 gifts in total that you can receive from this tournament. Now to complete the milestones by pressing on the I button from the top left corner. From here, you can complete milestones for the current tournament. Complete some bank heists. So far, each individual tournament and milestone. Then click on the I icon and read how to gain more points. Now you need to focus on this text with a multiplier. If you roll with a multiplier, you will get bigger rewards. And if you block 10 and get 4 successes, your success will be multiplied with 5. So it will give you 20 for a successful shutdown. This will work better with multipliers. If you use the multiplier, you can complete the milestones faster. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.